Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma again.
Hi, Grandma.
Look at the camera. Josh, look at Mommy. say thank you for the card. Thank you for the card, Grandma. Say I went to the store and bought a toy. Yeah, you bought a toy. Can you tell Grandma happy birthday? Well, it was very nice of you to sing happy birthday to yourself, but you were supposed to sing it to Grandma. You gonna say bye-bye, Grandma, and that I miss you? Say I miss you. Say mwah. Say I love you. Say I love you.
I love you, Mama.